What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on Verge here. Currently down about 5% in USD value, sitting at 5 cents, but we're down almost 3.5% here in BTC value, sitting at 641. But really quick though, folks, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap is sitting at 381 billion. Today's volume is almost 16.5 billion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 37.6. Bitcoin seems like, I know we did break that aggressive downtrend we were in, and we're going to go through some price action really quick before we do that. But looks like, still no clear signs that we're heading towards the upside. So let's go ahead and run through the market. Bitcoin down about 1.5%, sitting at 8,400. Ethereum just below 700, sitting at 697. Ripple down almost 3% as well, sitting just below 68. Bitcoin Cash down 4, sitting at 1,200. EOS sitting at $13, also down about 4.5%. Litecoin down about almost 4 as well, sitting at 134. Cardano down almost 3, sitting just below 25 cents. Lumens is down 4, sitting at just below 32 cents. Who are the big winners today? Factom up 23, sitting at $21. Skycoin sitting at 25, up almost 12. Cybermiles up almost 10, and Tron up about 4. Tron is finally, in the number 9 spot. I didn't expect that to happen this soon, but actually, let's go ahead and take a look at what was I going to say? So we got Bitcoin at 1, Ethereum at 2, Ripple at 3, Bitcoin Cash at 4, EOS at 5, Litecoin at 6, Cardano at 7, Lumens at 8, Tron at 9, and IOTA at 10. Is this going to stay like this? Tough call, I would say. Some people are saying Ethereum's going to pass up Bitcoin. That'd be crazy. I think if anything, Ripple passes Ethereum. That's just my personal opinion. Not a financial advisor. But you folks came here for some Verge. Market cap is sitting at 806 million. Today's volume is 15.8 million. Circulating supply here, folks, is almost about 15 billion. Max supply 16.5 billion. Major exchanges here: Binance, Bittrex, Upbit, Bitfinex, Hit BTC, and Cryptopia. Looks like are the major exchanges there. Let's go ahead and look at some Bitcoin price action, folks. So this is what I was trying to show you guys. Bitcoin failed to break above 8,600. Still remaining in this downtrend. We did break this one, however, we were rejected at this level. Let me go ahead and remove this. All we did was, it was a nice little fake up. We don't need this trend line anymore. So let's go ahead and switch over to the 4-hour, see what the 4-hour is showing us. Ooh, I don't like how this looks. Might get a little scary here, folks. Just be ready. Don't say I didn't warn you. Probably going to be getting a double bottom at this level. However, if we don't get a double bottom at this level, folks, this is what I'm expecting. If we don't come down to this level and then bounce towards the upside, what could possibly happen, actually we don't even need that, is we could go straight down all the way to 7,500 and then bounce towards the upside. However, as of right now, I am not bullish on Bitcoin. Long term, yes. Short term, no. I'd just kind of be patient. Definitely looks like we're going to be retracing towards the downside. So wait for that drop to about 7,500. I think 7,000 could be the bottom. However, if you just look at the higher and higher time frames, we still have a lot of room towards the downside. So don't be, I'm saying 7,000, that's just my personal opinion. Some people are saying 5, some people are saying 3, some people are saying 2. I'm saying 7, but analysis will definitely be updated once, the time comes. I was going to delete that, but so this is showing that we could potentially come all the way down to about 7,000. That's where I'm calling the bottom. As you can tell, we had a huge push from this. Let me go ahead and zoom out. From here all the way up there, came back down, pushed from about 7 all the way up to almost 10. So I'm expecting the same thing here. Could be getting a nice little double bottom and then heading towards the upside. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, same thing, folks, looking bearish, expecting it to hit about 500. Let me go ahead and switch over to the 4-hour, see what the 4-hour is showing me. Oh yeah, no signs of the bulls, just a bunch of resistance points here, it looks like. Expecting us to come to the downside. Next level for Ethereum here, folks, is about 550. Let me go ahead and mark that. Although sometimes my lines don't save. 550, sorry, to 575 is my target for Ethereum. Definitely, folks, just wait for the daily confirmation before we decide to, get in any longs. Switch over to Litecoin here. The Litecoin to USD on the daily. As you can tell, we were rejected. Looks like we formed a lower high here at 140. And now it looks like we're heading towards our next support, which is 120. Momentum is showing us we're heading towards the upside. However, price is looking bearish. Let's go ahead and switch over to the 4-hour. So as you can tell, resistance, 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 resistance. So definitely looking like we're heading towards the downside. Momentum starting to shift towards the downside as well on the 4-hour. Price looking bearish. Next target for Litecoin here, folks, is about 120. This is just my personal opinion. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. And this is Verge, the BTC on the daily. That's what you folks came here for. Let me go ahead and zoom out, show you the bigger picture. Ooh, excuse me. So pretty aggressive downtrend we're in, as you can tell. Lower high, lower high, lower high. Looks like another lower high. Next target for Verge here, folks. Let me go ahead and delete this. Don't need this. And I don't need this. Currently sitting at 641 Satoshis. Definitely expecting us to come down to about 500. We're going to be waiting for a daily confirmation to see if we hold here. However, if we do not hold here, expecting us to fall all the way down to about 375 to 400 Satoshis. I'm expecting us to most likely hold at this level. And what that's going to do, folks, is that's going to be the beginning of our uptrend. Oops, sorry. There we go. But again, this is just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. Wait for the drop from about 641 all the way down to about 520. We're going to wait and see how price decides to play out there, waiting for a daily confirmation before we take a buy. However, if we do not hold at this level, folks, again, just wait for the drop all the way down to about 375 to 400 Satoshis, and then we should be good to go. Where do I see this coin going in 2018? I think we could easily come back up to our all-time highs here at about 2,000 Satoshis towards the end of 2018. My second target is actually in 2019, about 2 to 3 months in. I think we could easily be up to about 3,500 Satoshis. But again, folks, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. You guys already know. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed. You have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. Oh, quick heads up. So this Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I will be out of the country, so I most likely won't be having access to internet. We'll see how that goes. But I'll be uploading some videos that are already pre-recorded. Probably not going to be having Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin price action, simply because it's going to be outdated. But they're going to be kind of more of my top 3 coins based on price actions that I feel like are going to be really good in 2018. Top 5 coins under $1 that are good for 2018. And then I have an ICO review that's also coming up. But just kind of wanted to give you guys a heads up. But that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to re-steam and upvote. And thank you for your support. Take it easy. Peace.